Have left here? 4? Well, come on out.
Everybody here?
Put your hands in the
Everybody
air.
here? Somebody shut the gate behind me. Let's go.
You motherfucker! You motherfucker! You piece of shit! Who the fuck was that? Lemon, was it you?
Whose fucking camper is
Son of a
this?
Bitch. I'm gonna
It's Brandon's.
fucking kill you. You wait till I get these fucking cuffs off. You motherfucker. Just wait. Was it Lemon? It was Lemon, wasn't it? You're not talking. You're not talking.
Who was the one that was sitting there going, put your hands in the air? Put your hands in the air.
I swear to God.
I just screenshotted
I'm
that
gonna
too.
fucking kill you. I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my god, dude.
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I can't believe you handcuffed though.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, Lemon. I swear to God. You better have your gun ready. You motherfucker. God damn it, they won't come off. They're not coming off. It's bullshit. I can't even pull my fucking gun, dude. I'm gonna get fucking killed. No, fuck you. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Hey, you should have used the Gary line on him. Gary, you're handcuffed.
I'm gonna take his crossbow.
Oh, you guys fucking leave me? I'm like running.
What's up? No, we're following you. You're just going super speed for some reason.
I don't know why, dude. My hydration's down like 15 freaking % now. It's pretty low. No, I thought I seen another.
So all
I
of us
thought
are
I'd
heading
seen
back over
another-
towards the gorge?
Yeah, we are. Ooh, I want
Also,
that mask.
can you hook
Oh,
it
no,
up while
that's
you're
not
here?
right. That's a helmet.